Hello everyone, I will show you how to find an inverse function and basically what are the steps that we usually take to do it. So here's my function. F of x is equal to square root of x plus 2 minus 5. And here is the function. So the first step that we need to do would be to substitute f of x equal to y. So let me just refresh this, and that would be our first step, which will result into y equal to square root of x plus 2 minus 5. And what we want to do on the next step is switch x and y. So we'll just swap their places, and our new equation will be x equal to square root of y plus 2 minus 5. So we just switched y with x and x with y. And our next step would be to get y by itself. So we'll do some algebra. On the first step, we'll add 5 to both sides of the equation. And that will result into x plus 5. This 5 and this 5 would cancel out, is equal to square root of y plus 2. On this step, we'll need to get rid of the square root, and to do that, we'll need to square both sides. And as we do that, our result will be x plus 5 quantity square is equal to square root of y plus 2, the whole quantity squared. So we'll FOIL the right side, and on the left side, the square root and the 2 would cancel out. And that will result into the following. So if we FOIL, we can do x plus 5 times x plus 5, or use the a plus b squared formula, and that is the result that we will get. And like I said, we need y by itself, so now we'll subtract 2 from both sides, and we will get that y all by itself. So on our last step, we'll just need to put the inverse function, which is the inverse function of x is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 23. And just to show you, I don't know if you remember from class, but if we have an inverse function, it's a mirror image of the original function across the x y equals to x. So if you look here, this was our original function, which is in red. The function in blue is our new function, and you can see that these parts are symmetrical to each other. So here we have negative 5, 2, which corresponds here to negative 2, 5. So basically the coordinates are swapped. Over here also the intercepts, you can see that they have the same value, just swapped. So this is how you find an inverse function. Thank you. See you in the next video.